Hey guys, today me try understand political lobbying in the United States, and me already feel brain melt. Right now, me standing inside big stone house called Capitol Hill. Me come here to ask Chief to stop tribe from cutting down Mammoth Forest. Me hold sign, me chant, me even bring gift, nice roasted beetle on stick, but no one listen. Then me see strange thing, tall man in glowing suit, he no hold sign, he no chant, he no smell like beetle. But Chief stop everything to hug him like long lost cave brother. They whisper, they laugh, then Chief change law. Me ask guard, who that man? He say that's a lobbyist. Me say he warrior? Guard laugh so hard he spill meat juice from nose. That moment me realize, power not live in loud voice or big spear anymore. Power live in quiet deals, secret fire circles, and strange stone paper called money. If you learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit while shiny suit people rewrite rules to take your goat and call it policy. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell Caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. We begin now. At first, me think lobby mean warm place where elders nap on soft rock before council meeting. Stone hut with shiny floors and no mammoth poop. But no, lobby not cozy cave. Lobby is tribe of talkers, very rich talkers. Me learn word lobbying mean this. When someone gives shiny stones to professional whisper man, who then go to law chief and say, please change fire rules so only my friends can cook meat. Caveman confused. Me say, wait, that bribing? But elders say, no, this legal persuasion, very different. Caveman brain break like dry bone. In old days, if me want something, me trade, meat for stone, fur for fire, marriage for peace. Straightforward. But in modern world, if you want law to change, go to chief directly. You hire lobbyist. Lobbyists look like merchant, but smell like paper and fake teeth. They not fight, they not cook, they not even build, they just talk. All day, talk to chief, talk to law scribes, talk to other lobbyists. Cavemen realize this talking not cheap, it cost gold. Lots of it. Big tribes like oil people, medicine people, and boomstick makers, they all pay many shiny rocks to lobbyists. In return, lobbyists try bend the rule stick. Not always win, but when they do, boom. New law say boomstick tribe get free land, or sugar drink can now be sold to toddlers. Cavemen feel sick. So law no longer about fairness or survival, but who talk best with most shiny stones. So me write it down on bark. Lobbying equals legal way to convince law chief to favor your tribe, using hired talker and mountain of shiny rocks. Still feel wrong in gut. Cavemen no understand. Why whole tribe chase this lobby thing? Why not just hunt, eat, dance, sleep? But then me notice something strange. In big village of Washington, D.C., nobody carry spear, nobody dig dirt, yet many wear shiny shoes, drink firewater before lunch, and ride in metal chariots with black glass. Me think, maybe they wizard class? But no, these people just talk, all day in halls, on boxes, at fire circles, and many of them, lobbyists. One day, me follow one of these suit men. He leave giant firehouse called Congress, and walk straight into tall glass cave with spinning door. Inside, more suit men. They shake hands like it's secret mating ritual. Me hide behind fake plant and listen. One suit man say, if we get Senator Rockjaw to vote against the clean air bill, the coal donors will triple our funding. Another say, we'll host fundraiser dinner, $10,000 per plate, just steak and lies. Caveman gasp. These men control fire, not with fire, but with dinner. Then it hit me. People obsessed with lobbying because it's shortcut. You no need to win votes. You no need to convince whole tribe. You just need to convince one law chief. Maybe two. Rest follow like scared goats. Rich tribes love it. No risk, no mess. They pay talker to whisper in right ear and boom. Law twist like bendy twig. Caveman think back to own tribe. When we want rule change, we have whole gathering. Everyone grunt opinion. We vote by throwing stones at tree. Most stones equals rule win. In modern tribe, one whisper, one dinner, one shiny stone sack, and law change overnight. Now me see why people worship lobby. It power without blood, control without spear. Invisible hand that feed you while taking food from others. One day, cavemen say, okay, me try this lobbying. How hard it be? Me angry because new village rules say, no open fire pits near sleeping huts. But how cavemen cook mammoth? No fire mean raw meat. Raw meat means sad poop. So me take finest goat cheese from secret rock cave. Aged 3 moons. Me march to local council hut, give cheese to big chief woman and say, me want fire pits back. You like cheese? Very creamy. She blink. Then guards tackle me like wild boars. Next thing, me in mud jail, surrounded by drunks, window screamers, and man who bite own beard. Me shout, me no bribe, me lobby. Jailers say, that was bribery, idiot. You didn't register. You didn't donate to campaign. You just gave dairy like criminal. Caveman confused again. So if me give cheese before vote, bad. But if me give $5,000 to campaign months before vote, good. Jailer shrug. Exactly. That day, me learn law not about what you do, but how fancy you do it. If caveman give gift directly, prison. If rich man form super PAC, host dinner and say, we hope senator like our views, no problem. That legal. Even respected. So me cry, not because mud sell cold, but because cheese gone. Also me learn something darker. Small cavemen cannot lobby like big tribe. Also me learn something darker. Small caveman cannot lobby like big tribe. Big tribe have gold, lawyers, lobby firms, and charm potions, also called whiskey. Small man have goat cheese and good heart. Both get you thrown out. So where things go wrong, when systems say voice of shiny rock is louder than cry of tribe, and when caveman try play game without rulebook, cavemen always lose. When caveman finally escape mud jail, thank you distracted guard and emergency poop flood, me go to elder who speak modern tongue. Elder say, you want understand real trick? Watch the revolving door. Cavemen say, what that, magic rock that spin? Elder laugh. No, it's how chiefs become lobbyists and lobbyists become chiefs. Same people, different costumes. Me squint. Like how tribe shaman also butcher when bored? He nod. Exactly, but more dangerous. Hear how it work. One moon, person serve in government. Maybe law chief, maybe big rule writer. They make decisions that affect whole tribe. Then next moon they leave cave and go work for giant fire stick tribe or sugar drink empire as lobbyist. Why them? Because they know all secrets. They know where bones buried. They know which other chiefs love compliments, steak, or foot rubs. Then, after few moons, guess what? They come back into government. Yes, same person, back and forth. Private, public, like stone on rope. Cavemen call it invisible power circle. In old tribe, if you sleep with enemy, we exile you. In modern tribe, if you work for enemy, they give you promotion and massage chair. This revolving door mean rules written by people who plan to cash in later. It like hunter making mammoth rule, knowing one day he sell mammoth burgers in big village. Me ask elder, isn't that bad? Elder shrug. Everyone does it. It's efficient. Efficient? Cavemen once tried poop in river to save walk. Efficient too, but still poison tribe. This revolving door, it no just door. It tunnel of hidden deals, fake smiles, and gold-tinted promises. And once you walk in, tribe forget who you used to fight for. Caveman sitting with wife. She's smart, smarter than me. She read scrolls on glowing stone all day. Me grunt and ask, why rich man no give shiny stone directly to chief? Why so sneaky? She laugh, pats my thick head and says, because they use packs. Me blink. That sound like treasure cave, she nod. It is, but more like magic cave that make money talk. So she explain, in modern tribe, giving money straight to law chief can look bad. So clever tribes build something called Political Action Committee, or PAC. It's like middle cave. You throw shiny rocks in, Pack throws them at candidates, but with wink and long legal scroll. Me say, so Pack is like Cave that throw gold, but never admit who threw first. Yes, she say, and then comes the Super PAC. Oh boy, Super PAC not play by normal rules. It no give gold directly to Chief, no. It buy air messages, make Thunder Voice ads on magic screen. Say things like, vote for Fire Chief Greg, he loved tribe and hates mud snakes. Paid for by Citizens for Brighter Fire, which is code for rich tribe that sell firewood. Super PAC can raise unlimited shiny rocks, from anyone. Even ghost tribes and secret squirrel companies. Only rule, must pretend no direct talk with candidate. Me laugh. That like me say, me no tell son to hit mammoth, then wink and throw him club. Wife nod. Exactly. So cavemen finally understand. PACs and super PACs are gold tunnels. They move money without fingerprints. You never see the hand, only the push. Rich tribe use it like river, constant flow of gold, shaping land. Small caveman, we got pocket full of buttons and one sad beetle. Okay, now listen close. One day, cavemen see big protest in front of Fire Chief's hut. People wave signs, yell things like down with fire tax, and let tribe burn freely. Me get excited. Real tribe uprising. Finally, so me join. Me grab sign and chant, down with smoke permits, even though me no know what permit is. Felt good. But then something weird happened. Me try talk to protester next to me. Me say, you from where? He blink. Me, marketing department. Me squint. You even know what this about? He shrug. Boss said free lunch and $50. Me just yell. Caveman confused. Then me spot tiny logo on all shirts, Citizens for Free Fire. Seem nice. Later, elder tell me truth. That not real protest, he say, that astroturfing. Caveman say, astro what? He explain, astroturf is fake grass. Look real, smell fake. Astroturfing is when big tribe create fake tribe movement. They pay actors, build fake outrage, write angry letters, and flood law chief with noise. From distance, it looked like real people mad, but up close, just paid yelling. In old tribe, we called that deceit. Now it called strategy. Why they do this? Because law chief listened to tribe. So if rich man pretend to be tribe, he control fire without lifting club. Examples, oil tribe creates Citizens for Energy Freedom to oppose clean water rules. Sugar tribe form Mothers Against Snack Taxes to protect gummy rights. Each one, fake name, real money. Cavemen want puke, because now even outrage has price tag. Even tribe's voice can be counterfeited. So next time you see loud movement on magic screen, ask, is that real tribe or just shiny suit man behind curtain with megaphone and meat voucher? Because in this world, even protest might be costume. Cavemen sit alone by small fire, no suit men, no whisper talkers, just smoke, stars, and mammoth hide. After all me seen, mud jail, fake protests, revolving doors, gold tunnels, me feel heavy in soul, like mammoth sat on chest. Me wonder, is there any hope for small caveman like me? Then wind blow, fire flicker. And me remember old tribe saying, if fire must burn, better to know who hold the torch than pretend it light itself. Me realize modern world no run on truth, it run on influence. And influence no always evil, but it's slippery like wet moss on cliff edge. Lobbying not bad by nature. In fact, sometimes good tribes use it too. Firefighters lobby for safety gear. Sick tribe lobby for cheaper herbs. Small villages lobby for water wells. But when only rich tribes hold torch, they decide who gets warm and who freeze. So what small caveman do? Learn who whisper in ear of law chief. Follow shiny stones, see where they flow. Vote with eyes open, not just meat heart. Support tribes that fight for many, not just few. Me realize wisdom not mean yelling louder. It mean knowing where the real battle is happening. Not in fire pit, not in council floor, but in quiet cave behind closed curtain over glass of fermented leaf water. That where law bends, that where rules twist, that where power hides. And if you never look there, you forever just mammoth in the field, waiting for arrow you never see coming. So yes, me still caveman, me still grunt sometimes, but now me grunt with purpose. So next day, Caveman decided to try one last time. No cheese, no gold, no fake tribe signs. This time, chicken. Me raise finest chicken in village. Name her Susan. She smart, she cluck in iambic rhythm. Me take Susan to local law chief, place her gently at feet, and say, me no have gold, me no have pack, but me have truth and poultry. Chief stare, Susan blink. Then Caveman speak from heart, not with gift, not with bribe, but with story. Me tell about burned hut, about lost mammoth pits, about how law hurt small people who know have shiny suit or whisper man. Chief listen. Later that moon cycle, fire pit rule changed. Not everything, but enough. And you know what? Next week me see same chief talking to other small tribe. So maybe sometimes truth still matter, not always, but when it come from real place and when it carry real cost, it still spark flame. Final lesson, lobbying not just about shiny rocks, it about persistence, strategy, and sometimes very persuasive chicken. So if you feel powerless, remember this, you may not have super PAC, but you have voice, you have story, and maybe, just maybe, you have chicken. Now go, make noise, ask who fund what, and please, for love of Susan, don't ignore the whisperers behind the fire. Before you go build your own lobby out of sticks and spite, smash that like stone and slap the magic scribe stick so tribe grows strong. Leave comment, if caveman lobby with chicken, what would you bring? Ooga booga.